Trying to see how my hair is looking in natural light. It's starting to curl up on the end, so it has shrunken up a lot. I don't know, I did get a little bit of color deposit when I tried to dye it, but not too much. Skylar, you okay? Yeah. You want to say hi? No, you're too busy playing. But anyhow, hair's still looking good though. I'm still in love. Good morning. Today is February 7th, 2020. It is Friday morning. It is 6:27 a.m. and I am at BMW trying to get, or actually drop my car off. I have a 6:30 a.m. appointment and I'm a little early. I tried to be the first one, but some earlier person is right here before me. My lips dry, looking crackheadish. You guys, I have a BMW X3 and my car is a 2011. It's almost 10 years old. My car is old. I want a new car so bad. When you have a financially savvy husband, they're not worried about no nice cars. I'm stuck with this car. My coolant light came on, so probably gonna get that topped off or get a new hose or whatever the problem may be. One of my tail lights is out, but it's been going out like off and on for the last few years, so I'm gonna ask them, like, was there a recall, is there a short or something, because I'm really tired of paying for the same problem over and over and over. I'm not gonna pay to get my tail light fixed again. It's obviously an electrical problem. So anyways, today is my baby shower. No, tomorrow is my baby shower. Today I am taking maternity pictures, so I just really want to bring you guys along for that. Hopefully everything turns out nice. Hopefully Skylar is on her best behavior and can get a good nap in, so we'll see. See, they just opened the garages. And my service person, his name is Angel. He better not come with no BS or some high prices. My dirty car. So dirty. Looking kind of clean though under this light. They're doing their walk around. I'm gonna go over there to our coffee machine. Dun, dun, dun. 9 months pregnant. This car is much smaller than mine. This is a X1. Nonetheless, it's real clean. So I ended up getting an X1. It's a little smaller than my car. I don't know why they just didn't give me another X3, but whatever, it's still nice. So I'm gonna go in and get my baby, make her some breakfast. All right, I'm back. I'm mostly finished with Skylar's hair. I just need to do the top 2 French braids. I'm just giving her a break. She was on my nerves. She is right here. Come here, you want to show your hair off? Skylar's hair is extremely coily. Excuse all the mess in the background. We have our cleaning lady coming today in a minute, actually. So these are just finger coils, and I still need to do the top and then this other French braid. Stop, mama. You say hi. Okay, we can't see you when you stand all the way up. Say hi. You're not gonna talk? Okay, get down. Ah! Get down. Oh my God. Okay, sit right here. So anyhow, I'm gonna wax my brows. They're so thin and fragile, I really don't trust people with them, so I just kind of wax them myself and then fill them in. I did take out one twist to kind of see how my hair is looking. You know what? I think I'll take the rest out now so that it can kind of breathe. So before this video actually goes up, you guys should already know that I have Microlocs in my hair that I installed myself. It's DIY Microlocs. No, mama, this is dangerous. Hey, if you're gonna touch everything up here, you're gonna have to get down. You wanna get down? Goodbye. I hope y'all don't mind a little crying. I don't know how I feel about this pink lipstick. I wanted to make a flower crown, but I ran out of time. I'm not even gonna worry about it. I don't know. I'm really not feeling this look. It's really difficult to get footage and like try to vlog. Yesterday, took my maternity pictures. I forgot my camera. It's like, oh my gosh, and I was supposed to just record everything on my phone and I just didn't have time. So anyhow, took the maternity pictures. Today is my baby shower, so we're just preparing, getting ready for that. So right now I'm making a salad.